Okay, on the iPad, when you post an activation code on the board or whatever you're going to do, or write it down or whatever for your students, and they need to create their own account, if it's on an iPad and the free app is already downloaded, which is right here for me, I'll open it up and you'll notice it looks very similar. You have these different sign-in screens if the kid already has an account, but if they don't, they go to create an account. And on here, they use the activation code that you provided, not the one I provided, but you provided. And then they log in either with their myNCSD.org account, or they could log in with a username and password. And I suppose, honestly, they could log in with any one of these if they have their own accounts. And so once they have done that, and you go back, so for my student that I created, since it's fictional student, I will log in. And when I sign in, everything that's been created under this student's account will show up, but it goes right to the word processor screen. And so some things to notice here is, first, you have a volume. You have your standard virtual keypad, or you can use a Bluetooth keyboard, of course. You can create topic dictionaries right here. So if I touch that icon, I get a few topic dictionaries, but if I type right here, say Casper, Wyoming, which isn't going to be something obviously already on there, and I touch it over here, it's going to create a topic dictionary for me by searching the internet and pulling words about that topic, which is pretty cool. You don't have to cut and paste anymore. I'll turn that off. If I go to the next screen, this is just a cut and paste to Google Drive, Dropbox, Instagram, computer, or take an image. The settings, you can change voices, you can change speeds, volumes, you could change background colors, colors of the font, the different font, change the sizes. Share. This is a great way to send from an iPad to get to a computer to print, for instance. And the one I would recommend using is Google Drive, because every student and every teacher has a Google Drive account or myNCSD.org account that will link up to Drive, and they could open up their Drive on a computer and print from there. You can also email it, copy it, put it in an email, into a Dropbox account, Facebook, all those things. The next option is your font list, your formatting features. And if you look through there, you have your normal word processor formatting features. And then the last one over here is just a plus, and that's just to make a new document if you've been typing and you want a new document. But if you type, you'll notice that it predicts words just as CoWriter did, but it's right here. Touch the button and it pops up. If I had my volume up a little bit, it would have said what I typed. But then if I touch home, it'll go back to the documents that have been created, and if I click any one of them, it'll go to that document. But over here, it'll also show if it's been shared in Drive or any of those things. I just haven't done any of those. So if you want a new document, again, it would just be up here. And then, of course, right here is the share anything. You can also trash any one of these that you want by just touch and delete after you've turned on the trash can, and I'll choose done. In the top left corner, that's my fictional student, so it'll be the student's name as they sign in. If they want to connect with a new teacher so the teacher can see their reports or manage their account as they move schools or whatever, teacher can generate a code, again, just like always, and the student can do connect with educator. And they have these other options. That's the iPad app in a nutshell.